Now we're gonna mount our phone holder. We're gonna pull it out of our box. Okay. This, your instructions, and this. Take the box, throw it away. Okay? I like to point the screw down so you don't see it. And it just basically goes on the holder like that. Open this up. And there should be that. I'll show you what that's for. The screw. And then 2 of these. Okay? This is in case you got different size handlebars. You're going to need the smaller ones. Take the bigger one, toss it to the side. So this is all you're really going to need right here. Okay? I'll take this. Put the screw to it all. Okay? We want to point this down. Okay? So we put this on like that. Okay? Until it gets about there. Point that down. And with the supplied Allen wrench, snug it up and then tighten it up. You don't have to hold this because it's squared and squared. It won't move. Okay? So we want to take this, open this up, off, hold it, open it up. The thicker one in here, okay, because it's a smaller size bar up here. Grab your wrench, ZUGO Bike facing up. ZUGO Bike facing up. See where the gap is? The gap, we've got to close the gap. Try to do it as tight as you can. Bolt. Put the bolt in. Allen on it. Okay. And then with me holding it together, get it so it threads in. And then tighten it down. This is going to be kind of tight because we want it kind of tight. Spin it into position wherever you want it. You can slide it around the bar. Tighten it. And then put it into position and get it as tight as you want. Okay? Just so the phone doesn't move. Okay, there's one more thing we got to do. So open it up. This little black piece on here, these are little felts for the side. Believe it or not, they work incredibly well. I pull my phone out of here all the time and they don't fall off. So notice they're tapered. Okay, and you just put them in. That one was a little sloppy. So they fit, just so it grabs the rubber. That way. Move on over there. That one goes on this side. And this one, push them in yet. Like that. Make sure they're on there. Here's your picture of your favorite ZUGO on it. Lock it in. Make sure your phone's solid. Make sure you can always see your display on your phone. Try to pay attention to this in the road, not those.